So you want to start an online affiliate marketing business? Then I recommend that you start by thinking about what you love and what you're passionate about. Start creating content on the subject if you haven't already. Start creating useful or value-filled content. Think about the products that you've used that helped you to solve the problem and check to see if they have an affiliate program. Then you simply sign up with a program or network, and then once you've been accepted, generate an affiliate link for the product you want to promote, and you're ready to go. In step number 5, you create your content in which you promote the product in question and then include your affiliate link for people to click on. All you need to do now is get as many eyes on your content as possible. This is where a good education in online marketing comes in. So if you'd like to learn more about all of this, then I recommend you click on the link in the description box below that says sign up for free digital marketing training.